Hey everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to IB Scholar Prep. Now let's continue the GMAT Quant series. We'll discuss one more problem which talks about even and odd properties. And we have already shared this problem on one of our short videos, and I hope some of you might have already tried. If you did not, let's look at the problem again. I am going to provide you a complete solution on this problem. Now, if you look at here, this says P and Q are integers, addition of this number is odd, which of the following must be true, right? Must be odd. Now, whenever you have must be situation, always keep in mind, they want to know something is always 100% true. So that's what must be stand for. So you're looking for something which is always going to be 100% true. Now, let's try to simplify what do we have already. So we have this information. So if you simplify this, it will be 2p plus q, which is odd. Now the one who are good at maths and the one who knows already properties of even and odd, it's very simple for them. They can do it quickly. But the one who doesn't like maths, they want to be sure. So for them, we can use some numbers here, right? So what is the way to do it? Maybe if you're starting your GMAT journey, so what is the easier way to think about for you? As you know, summation is odd, so you'll look around what is possible, right? So let's take some values. So if I take p to be 1, how much q I should take it, because 2 into 1 is 2. So if I want to make an odd, I'll have to take q to be, let's say 1, 2, 1, 3 and something. So this gives me 3. Now think of this. Can I take some other number for p? Can I make it an even? Let's do that. If I take p2, so 2 into 2 is how much again? You simply say 4. Now, if you want to make it an odd, you need to think q to be an odd number only, so which is 1. So 4 plus 1 is how much? 5. That's an odd number. So if we make a note here, if they ask me must be true, now you could see p could be odd, could be even, but q is always odd. So my answer for this problem will be q must be odd, so which is option B. We need not to look at any other options because I'm always going to get q as an odd number. If I want to solve this problem in a quick time, what is the easiest way to approach this? As you could see, addition of two numbers is offering an odd number, right? Which means one number has to be even, other number has to be odd. As you know already, you have 2p. So this number will always be even. So that means q has to be odd. Now p could be even, could be odd, because 2p is always even. So that's where we can 100% say q is always going to be odd. That's where option B is my answer. I hope you understood this, and it's easy to attempt this one now. But if you have still some doubts on the same problem, I'll be happy to solve your doubts. Please reach out to me on this number or on this email address. I'll be happy answering all your queries. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time around.